Here we go. This is for winner's choice of the Firebirds. Both of them have some pretty sweet rims. 915. 915. Here's our list of 10 people. In the PayPal, it's going to be a little mixed from other waffles. So we're going to start with Justin. That was our last payment received. He's right there. Mika's in this one. We also got Scott West in this one. Ben, Dave Terry, Kevin, and Jonathan. All accounted for. Nice and secure up there. One more. And we'll do one more. There we go. 10 spots. Winner is number 7. Jonathan Willie. Nice win, sir. $9.16. $9.16. Thanks everyone for playing. Winner, PM me your address and your choice.